शब्द दिलो की ह्या वीकच्यान आमी पेशंट एडमीट करपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आसतलो. आयज सांजेच्यान आमी पेशंट्स आयज सगळें इन्स्पेक्शन करून जाल्यार कांय कामां आनी उरल्या करपाची. त्याच बरोबर आमी एडिशनल 70 लोक घेतल्या पेशंट हँडलिंग खातीर, कित्याक पेशंट हँडलिंग वॉज अ मेजर इशू. आनी पेशंट हँडलिंगाच्या खातीर आमी ह्या तरेचे लोक घेतल्या जे ते पेशंटाचेर तेजें लक्ष आसतलें आनी दे वील बी कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी टू द स्टाफ एंड द नर्सिंग स्टाफ. सद्या आमची तयारी जाल्ली आसा 150 बेडाची तयारी जाल्ली आसा आनी जे खंय इट इज इक्वली डिवायडेड बिटवीन मेल एंड फिमेल वॉर्ड. ह्या हॉस्पिटलाचे फाटल्या विकान बी हांवें तुमकां सांगलेलें की सरकाराचे उद्देश आसा की हे हॉस्पिटल अपग्रेड करून 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 आमी ह्या हॉस्पिटलाक फुडाऱ्याक आमचे ज्या तरेन ते स्टेबल जाता ह्या स्टेबल जावन स्टेबलायज करून स्टाफ स्ट्रेंथ बी सगळे जाग्यार घालून आमी आमचो प्रयत्न आहा की हांगा मागीर सेपरेटली एक ITU एंड हाय डिपेंडन्स युनिट ह्याच हॉस्पिटलान आमी करून दिवंक जाय. म्हणजे पॅरलल टू ESI ही हॉस्पिटल चालू उरतली. आमचे डीन हा गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे डॉक्टर दीपा, मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडंट डॉक्टर सुनंदा आमोणकर आणि डॉक्टर राजेश पाटील जे हॉस्पिटलचे नोडल ऑफिसर आहा, डॉक्टर उदय काकोडकर आणि आमचे बाकीचे सगळे टीम जे हांगा आणि विश्वजीत फळदेसाय आणि बाकीचे सगळे डॉक्टर्स नर्सीस आनी डॉक्टरां कडेन सगळी चर्चा केल्या. हें सोंपें न्हू की नवें हॉस्पिटल जस्ट टू पुट इट कमिशन इट. सो बेसिकली आयज आमी कांय प्रमाणात मेचेफेनो मशीन्स हाडून दवरल्या, कांय व्हेंटिलेटर्स हाडून दवरल्या. त्याच बरोबर जे कितें लागता पेशंटा खातीर आनी त्याच बरोबर जेवणाची सोय बी सगळे आमी टीप टॉप रायट फ्रॉम द स्टाफ टू एवरीबडी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर सँक्शन एवरीथींग एंड गिवन इट टू अस. आमच्या डॉक्टरांक बी रावपाची सोय बी सगळे आमी करून घेतल्या. त्याच बरोबर आमकां ह्या हॉस्पिटलान जो प्रोटोकॉल आसतलो ते आमचे डीन सांगतले, मेडिकल सुपरिटेंडंट सांगतले. आनी हांगा आमी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजचे आमचे 2 नोडल ऑफिसर्स म्हणून डॉक्टर सुनंदा आमोणकर आनी डॉक्टर राजेश पाटीलाक आमी हांगा डेप्यूट केल्ले आसा. कारण आमकां खबर आहा की तेंच्या माध्यमांतल्यान आमी आमच्या पेशंटाचें जीवन आमी वाचूं शकता. हांव आतांच पळयतालो आनी तुमकां हांव पयलींच्यान सांगता की हो स्पायक काय कमी इतले बेगीन जावपाचो ना. हो स्पायक अशेंच उरतलो काय फॉर सम टायम. As a result of which our job is to see that we provide quality services, and we have got more than 80 to 80 private rooms here also that we will utilize and commission it as and when it is required. As far as the protocols, hospital protocols are, they will be very strict protocols. We will not be allowing any relatives or anybody inside. Whatever the attendant with the patient that is required accordingly based on the doctor's SOPs that are there for the hospital, they will take care of it. आणि तुम्ही पळय इम्युनिटी बुस्टर एक घातले आणि ते 2 एडिशनल आमी मेडिसिन घातले.
We have done some changes in the protocol of those patients who are positive and who are opting for home isolation. Now, what is the main changes? Main changes, we are going to do their basic test, blood test, and we are giving them medicines. Those medicines are used to prevent pneumonia, so that these patients, even if they stay at home and the monitoring is this way or that way, these medicines if they take, they will not go into moderate or severe case. So that is what is put in the pouch, and they can monitor themselves because oximeter is also there in the pouch, thermometer is there. So it will become like a small clinic in the house only, so that family did not get upset. All those medicines, normally what people say in home isolation there is no medicine given, and we also put immunity booster, we have put vitamin C, we have put zinc medicine and paracetamol SOS, that is only SOS if they have a temperature. Biggest advantage is that they will stop the disease there only. Viral load will come down, and this study has been proved. The same has been applied here, and this is going on very nicely in state of Uttar Pradesh, and country like Bangladesh has also got a good results. Based on those papers, we have used this.
When we can expect this pouches to come to the doorstep?
हांव सांगता. आता डीनान मुद्दम कित्याक सांगलें की इट वॉज अ सजेशन ऑफ द एक्सपर्ट कमिटी एंड डीन सजेस्टेड एंड डिस्कस्ड एंड deliberated it that we must have this type of protocol, and then everybody agreed with the suggestion made by the dean Goa Medical College that Dr. Bandekar that we must do this particular protocol. Actually, as far as these pouches are concerned, the suggestion came through a discussion only and suggestion of the dean that we must give this in home isolation to every patient because this will be of benefit to the people. Many times गांवांत जर पळयल्यार आमी पळयता की मेडिसीन बी दिवपाक कोण फुडो सरना जर कोणाक स्टिग्मटायज जाता मनीस जर कोवीड पॉझिटिव्ह घरांत जर गावल्यार. So basically immediately to start this medication and give this protocol, and then automatically one more thing which we are starting the training, I think I forgot to mention Dr. Rupa's name. Dr. Geeta is also feeling unwell, so as a result of which she has not come today. But actually we are starting training. We have already identified Ayush doctors, homeopathic doctors, MPHW and A&M. So basically they will be posted under the health officer in every community health center, every primary health center, and also we have said through Goa Electronics that the digitization of records of every patient. आम्ही ऑक्सिमीटर कित्याक दिता म्हणजे सॅच्युरेशन लेवल ऑफ दॅट पेशंट वी आर एबल टू चॅक सॅच्युरेशन लेवल ऑफ द पेशंट आनी तेजे टेम्परेचर तेणी घेवपाची गरज आहा आनी त्याच बरोबर every day the record of every person in home isolation will be there with that primary health center and see, and they will explain to them the type of protocol that they have to follow. If somebody's saturation level is falling, there are ways. I am not a doctor, but when discussion of doctors, I see that in case you put the use the saturation level, you take a saturation level initially and then walk for about 6 minutes and again check the saturation level. Then generally you find if there's a drop, then he needs to address the issue with the primary health center. This system was not there. So after with all of us discussing, expert committee, our Dr. Dean, Dr. Oscar, Dr. Morio, Dr. Rajeshwar Naik, Dr. Viren Gaur, and several all our doctors from Goa Medical College and Health Services, we discussed and came to this conclusion. So their training is also going to start. Digitization and having data of the patient under home isolation is very important. What he is feeling, what is his temperature, what is his saturation level for that day. All this has to be digitized. All this will be available with us. Goa Electronics also has been roped in. As far as the Honorable Chief Minister is concerned, has immediately given approval when Dr. We spoke regarding the accommodation of the doctors. They will be housed in the Kolwa Residency and Williams Hotel. Williams Hotel. कारण आमची एक जबाबदारी आसा कम्युनिटी खातीर आमच्या डॉक्टरा कडेन जबाबदारी आहा की बाबा they cannot go back home for that duration of their rotation. So as a result of which we have to see that they are properly housed and they are taken care of. So as committed to the people of the state, on behalf of my Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, we are commissioning this hospital today. Actually I was not supposed to be, I was telling doctor you start today, but then I said let me myself go and see and talk to all the doctors. Their issues are there. We will also be video conferencing facilities. We are getting it totally connected so that we are on any emergency on a weekly basis, then we are able to, not necessarily weekly, it can be 3 times a week, but basically try to understand what are the issues. So we are trying to link up ESI hospital, this South Goa District Hospital, Ponda Hospital, Goa Medical College and my office. So basically then we can report back to the Honorable Chief Minister. So we are also in the process of creating a dashboard where this internally with the government this information is available with us on the situation in every area, every home isolation case. So as committed to you, we are starting admitting patients in the hospital from today. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
That any company that is dealing with oxygen in Goa will first look at the requirement of the state government and the collector and the powers vested in him, similarly to the Maharashtra government, similarly to the Karnataka government who is preventing oxygen supply from coming out of their state into other states. जे ऑक्सिजन फेसिलिटी गोंया राज्यान खबर आहा प्रायस आयज जावपाची शक्यताच ना कारण आमचे ऑलरेडी फिक्स प्रायसीस आहा ते सप्लाय पयलीं गोवा आमकां जे रिक्वायरमेंट आहा ते पयलीं सप्लायज करता वेर्ना बी एक कंपनी ताका ऑर्डर कार्ड म्हणून सांगल्यार पयलीं आमकां गव्हर्मेंटाक जे कितें ऑक्सिजन जाय ती पयलीं दियात मागीर तुमी खंय कितें करता प्रायस तो करूंक शकना कित्याक आमी परचेस हायस्ट बायर इज हू टुडे इट्स अ स्टेट गव्हर्मेंट वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू बाय एट एनी abnormal cost as it is प्रायसीस जे आमी घेता आमी त्याच प्रायसीचेर घेता आमकां काय कोणी प्रायस वाडून काय दिवंक ना सद्या
You are starting with 150 beds. So then we can see,
already Dean is ordering another 200 beds. But also this operation here starting today has to stabilize. पहिली 10 दीस पहिली stable जावली मागीर we will move towards the ITU and high dependent unit. Ultimately this and ESIC hospital will be a major hospital. Critical to critical patients will be there. Like what Dean mentioned. लोक सारखे टायमार येना हॉस्पिटलान लोक केन्ना केन्ना ब्रेथलेस जावन येता लोक मागीर सांगना पयले जोर आसता कितें जाल्लें जोर आसलो 5-6 दीस जोर आसता ताबडतोब जर